that's a very important aspect, that although we have been, as you mentioned, that we got understanding around lockdowns, limited social interactions, limited ability to change our work systems and work culture. But the overall impact we are still seeing is, as I mentioned, long hours of work, because demands have changed. Many of us are still working from home, and many individuals are not able to demarcate the work and home environment. So it adds up onto a constant dual role playing, as of a parent, a care provider at home, plus the breadwinner or job employee. Many times people have had the scenario that they may be being a caregiver to a sick person or an infected person in the house, but also handling the meetings or job commitment, which is an added stress. Children have been in homes most of the time, and their social interactions have gone very limited, which impacts their ability to adjust to other people's social cues of talking, demanding, or reasoning. A lot of kids, under the pretext of online kid education, do take help from their parents to get marks. There was a recent scenario when some of the senior students were going back to school and they didn't want to join back the class because they thought they are not prepared to give the exam in person. And on the slide, the parent had been helping the child to pass the exams. So, a lot of learning, which was supposed to be in terms of experiential and uh, in group, got compromised, which has led people to have less effective communication and hardworking environment. There's a lot of burnout in healthcare workers, because they have been at the forefront of dealing with infections, the other related health scenarios, and it is also causing an impact on the environment in terms of a divide between the social systems. In terms of, there are people who are having a lot of vaccine hesitancy, and there are people who don't use or want to wear mask. So there is a kind of a internal conflict growing between these kind of individuals, that the some people try to impose, some people are very badly misinformed, and there are political agendas being met through these scenarios, which impacts the overall information overload on to an individual, which results into lot of stressor working simultaneously for lot of common people.